Hi everyone, in this video we're going to discuss some of the activities that you can use in regard to Kaltura. So one thing that I want to show you is how you can upload a resource using your media in Kaltura. So to start, we're going to go to the upper right hand corner, press Turn Editing On, and then you want to click Add an Activity or Resource in the section that you want this specific resource or activity to appear. So we're going to start talking, like I said, using a Kaltura video resource, and all this is a way for you to share information with your students, but using the media in your My Media repository to do so. So I'm going to click on Kaltura Video Resource, press Add, and then here under Name, I'm just going to name it exactly what it is, Kaltura Video Resource Example. Now you can add your video here by just clicking on Add Media, and it will show up directly inside of your My Media, and you can find a video that you would like to embed. So maybe I have something on here from one of my previous courses that I want to add. Maybe I want to share a video. So I'm going to click on this option here to embed this video, and then it will just very easily embed that video inside of this specific resource. I can put a description if I like. If I don't want to, I don't have to. And then when I'm done, I'm just going to scroll down and click Save and Return to Course. Now, if we go inside of the Kaltura Video Resource Example, you can see that it will show up here with just that video for me. So this is a great way for you to share information from your My Media page, and you can show students directly inside of the Moodle course instead of them having to search the media gallery for it. Now, there's another way that you can also add media. So if I go into, let's say, anything here, maybe I add an activity or resource and I add a chat. Let's just use that as an example. And I press Add. So I'm going to write Chat Example. Here inside of this description box, as long as you see this little Kaltura logo, that means you can embed Kaltura Media inside of that specific item. So maybe here inside of this description, I want to put an example of what a chat should look like, maybe rules about the chat or what is expected of the student. I could click Embed Kaltura Media, find that video inside My Media. I can even add a new one if I want to make a quick one using Express Capture. I can use that to make a video of just me talking. And again, I want to mention, if you aren't sure of what these options are, you can check the My Media video. Will show you what everything does. So we don't want to add anything new. I just want to show you how you can go down inside your My Media and find something that you want to embed. So if I want to, let's say this is the video where I explain the rules of the chat, it will then embed that video directly inside. I can do the settings for this specific session as normal and click Save and Return to Course. So now when the student or when you go inside of the chat, you will be able to see the video show first with you saying all of the instructions for whatever the example is. In this case, it's a chat, and then the students can enter the chat now. So that's just another way for you to embed information from your My Media page using Kaltura. Now, the other thing I want to show you is how you can use Kaltura as a way to assign something to a student. So students will have their own My Media page where they're able to use all of the same resources that you have. So they'll be able to create a lecture capture or create an Express Capture or upload media of their own and share it with the course as well. So what you can do is assign them an assignment where they have to upload a video of themselves, and that video can be graded in the gradebook. What you're going to do is click Add an Activity or Resource, and you're going to find where it says Kaltura Media Assignment. Click on Add, and then under Name you can just give it, so we're just going to do, how about Submit a Getting to Know You video. You can use this as a way for you to get to know your students. Now you can put a Kaltura, you can embed some Kaltura media in here if you want, or you can just leave that empty. You would fill out this information the same way you would fill out any of your Moodle assignments. Here under grade, you can even put it inside of a category as you normally would do. And then you're going to click Save and Return to Course. So now when the student goes into there, so let's log in as a student. And if that student clicks on Submit a Getting to Know You video, they will have the option to click Add a Submedia Submission, and it will then open up their My Media page where they can then share that information with the class, or they can even click Add New and do any of these options in order to complete the assignment. So this is really great because it allows you to have a different kind of assignment that you can give to your students, and it does involve a little bit more than just uploading a paper. So we're going to click Log Out, and that should take me back to my class. Those are just some ways that you can use some of the features that are available to you on Kaltura. There's also a way that you can assign a video quiz, which we are going to discuss in another video.